What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Homes We Love. I'm your host Zulfa Nyaneza, and today we're back on the Kew Bridge estate and we're about to tour a beautiful luxury penthouse apartment with 24-hour concierge, gym, off-street parking space. It comes with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 reception rooms, and it's on the market with Chestertons. I'd love to thank them as well as the amazing owner for allowing us to tour this property today. Let's get started. I'll see you upstairs. So we're coming through this beautiful large entrance hall with enough space here for a console table. On the right, we have a laundry room and a kitchen. The reception room is straight ahead. There's 2 bedrooms just here, and the principal bedroom is in that direction. I want to start in the reception room, which is this way. So the first thing you'll notice as you come into the reception room is this beautiful, elegant Parisian style wall paneling that goes all the way around the reception room. The walls are in this beautiful, luxurious, neutral grey. The color palette in the living room is also very neutral with a touch of mustard, gold and black, just to add a bit of contrast. At the top we have built-in speakers and recessed lights. On this side we have a balcony. But before we go out there, I want to show you these drapes. They've got a track at the top and another track here for the sheer blinds so that you can have a bit of privacy and allow enough light to come through. Something really cool about this is they've got a rod here so that you don't take the pleats out just when you're pulling the curtains shut. You can use this rod here and shut the curtains just like that and then open them like that as well. I think that's quite neat. Let's go out onto the balcony. Easily one of the best parts of the apartment. Look at this view and how beautifully landscaped the estate is. You can see the car park over there, but even then they've tried to make it as lovely as possible. There's so much greenery. You can see the River Thames as well, looking so beautiful. And there's a nice seating area just there with loads of botanicals, so you can just sit out there and enjoy the river. I really love it. You can see the other room from there as well. Let's head into the dining area. I like this plant here as well. It's nice, it's a nice touch. I like there's enough space here for a console table. I think you could possibly add a mirror here if you wanted to. In the dining room, I like what they've done here. They've layered the ceiling so you can have separation from the dining area to the living area. But the way the ceiling's been placed, it kind of joins the kitchen because it's all one flat ceiling, and of course from the dining room you can see into the kitchen. I love this light fixture up here, and I like that the wall is not flat. They've got these 3 layers adding more dynamic to the space, and of course there's enough space on that side for a bar area, which is always a plus. And then we have the breakfast bar looking nicely into the kitchen. Let's go in there next. In here, we have a beautiful state-of-the-art kitchen. I want to start on this side. Siemens appliances all throughout. We have a fridge and freezer, double ovens, and plenty of storage. They've added a fire extinguisher and a fire blanket. This is cool. It swings all the way out so that you can have everything that's tucked away in the back there come to the forefront, so you don't have to go digging through it. You can just access it from here. I love that. And then we have 2 sinks with a waste dispenser just here. More storage at the bottom here. Dishwasher is just here. And then right here we have a drawer, and I love that the cutlery drawer is inside this bigger drawer, which is really nice. And I love the way they've organized the storage. In here we have the bin built in as well, and we have a wine fridge in here. Really nice, plenty of workspace, more storage, and the cupboards at the top are finished in this really nice matte frosted glass. LED light strips down here, and just over here adding a really nice touch. In here we have storage for all your spices. It's not that deep, so it's really perfect. And we have a Siemens extractor fan and induction hob just here. Lovely backsplash as well, and all in all, great kitchen. Let's head into the principal bedroom, which is this way. So In here we have the principal bedroom. There's an ensuite in here, a walk-in closet in here, and the main bedroom is right here. My favorite thing about this room is this green feature wall with the box paneling. I love that it's green because it pulls in the colors that you get from the outside and it just merges everything together. And obviously it's a plus that we have a floor to ceiling window on this side to get this beautiful view of the river and the botanicals outside from all of the bedrooms. This is a really nice size room. The color palette is great. I want to move into the walk-in closet and show you that. So let's have a look in here. Really great size. I like that they've got at the bottom a rack for your shoes and they go all the way around. And in here we have drawers for your underwear and stuff, so you don't need to have another set of drawers in there. On the hanging rod they've got LED lights, which is really cool. I want to go into the ensuite, which is through here. Now you'll notice it's a bit similar to another ensuite we've seen in the same estate. We have a really large shower with this dark marble wall, shampoo niches with recessed light, rain head shower at the top and a handheld shower. I like the drain design in here as well. I like the way they've used the LED lights around the mirror, beautiful sconce designs at the top here, and we've got storage down here, which is really nice. Nice vanity design with a marble clad on top, and we've got this really nice luxurious bathtub, quite deep, and I like that they've got this perimeter around it that's marble. You can put candles and all sorts of things, and it's got a handheld shower as well. And we have an LED light strip just down here adding to the ambience of the room, and we have book matched marble on the floor with a dark border around it. Let's head out. I want to see bedroom number 2, which is this way. In here, stunning bedroom, again nice view, built-in speakers, pretty much the same as the rest of the property. The spec in here is really nice, built-in wardrobes, and we have an ensuite just through here. Again, everything is similar. I do like that they have storage here, which is more than you usually get in bathrooms. Really nice, all in all. And I like that they've hidden the toilet roll down here. It's quite cool. All right, let's head out and look at bedroom number 3. This way. They're currently using it as an office. Very similar to the others in terms of the spec. I love the dark walls they've done in here, kind of get you to focus and concentrate on your work. It's the perfect study, in my opinion. In here we have another ensuite, similar style to all the others, very nice quality book matched marble on the wall. All in all, great room. Let's head into the guest toilet, which is here. Very nice size guest toilet. I love that all the toilets are the same style, and look how big this marble slab is, all book matched. Very nice, nice big mirror, and I think it's a very nice toilet for your guests. Let's head out. I want to show you some bonuses actually. The laundry room, which is in here, is also a really nice size. Siemens appliance, of course, plenty of storage. And I think you could potentially install those drying racks that go at the top, storage at the top. Very nice style, considering it's a laundry room. A lot of people do neglect those spaces. And we've got more storage in here. Don't you just love that? Every room was thought about. Very tidy, even though these are utility areas. Really like that they did that. The cloakroom, which is just here. Notice how the lights come on automatically. Very nicely done as well. Very neat. Nothing in this apartment is shabby. Really, really great. That is it from us, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed the tour. We definitely have. Details of the property are in the description below. Thanks again to the owners of this apartment as well as Chestertons for allowing us to tour this property today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. hit that notification bell as well. But until next time, bye bye.